Hi there, students. Gait. A gait. Notice G-A-I-T, not G-A-T-E. Now, your gait is the way that you walk. It's the particular way that you walk. Or it could be the way an animal walks or runs. So he walked down the street with a drunken gait. Okay, his gait was clearly, he was wobbling from side to side. Nowadays, I walk in with a slow gait and I tire quite easily. You could have the gait of an animal, the gait of a horse. The gait of the horse increased from a trot to a canter. So to gallop, to trot, to canter. These are all gaits of a horse. You could have the gait of a dog. I imagine somebody walking down the street carrying a huge suitcase and having a lopsided gait. If you carry a large suitcase, then very definitely you have a lopsided gait. So it's a particular way of walking. And you have various different gaits, particularly if you are loaded or if you're carrying things or not. So your gait is the manner of stepping, the manner of running, the way a horse moves. This horse has a smooth gait. Don't confuse this with GAT, the gate that you open to let the horse through. He had a rather clumsy gait. He had a hobbling gait. The man continued to walk at a steady gait. So here, the rate of walking, I think you could probably even use this metaphorically. The project continued at a steady rate. My studies are improving at a steady gait. But this is talking about a walk. And this is the rhythm of lifting up your feet and walking. So to trot, to canter, to gallop, to sprint, there are lots of different gaits. The gait of a soldier marching, quick time, double quick time. Okay, so the gait, your gait is the way of walking. There's a special gait for jogging, yeah, but you limp, a limping gait, a lurching gait, a staggering gait. Yeah, to saunter down the street. He had a sauntering gait, a rather strutting, angry gait. Yeah, a waddling gait. Okay, so his gait he had a very awkward gait. This was not something you would normally see. As an old man, I now have a shuffling gait as I shuffle down the street. Okay, so these are all different ways of walking, and that's the point with this word gait. It's talking about the way that you walk, the gait of an athlete, the step, the stride, the tread, the manner of walking, the sequence of the feet. And they've done lots of studies with the different gaits of different animals. Okay, so gait, the way somebody walks, a particular kind of walk. Yeah, if you're fat, maybe you have a rolling gait, maybe an awkward gait or an easy athletic gait. So lots of your step, your stride, your pace, your carriage, your movement, the way that you amble. Okay, Gait, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. Maybe it's a bit literary as well, or something formal. And then as to origin, it comes from Old Norse, gata, meaning a road. From Proto-Germanic, gatwo. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Gait.